This is the 2025 Load King Sliding Folding Tail Trailer, or SFT 70. The trailer has a 50,000 pound concentration in 10 feet. Overall trailer weight is 20,800 pounds as estimated. The trailer has a 48-inch kingpin height, an 86-inch swing clearance, a 38-inch loaded deck height. The trailer comes standard with chain slots and outer beams on 18-inch centers. The SFT comes in 4 different Load King finishes: Load King black poly paint, white, red, or yellow. Trailers come standard with 1 3/8 Apatong decking and a full decal package. The SFT 70 has an overall length of 51 feet. The next section is 9 foot 7 inches. The usable deck is 26 foot 5 inches. The front ramp dimensions are 5 foot 10 inches with a 13-degree breakover. The rear ramp is 14 foot long. The tail breakover is 12 degrees. The Load King Sliding Folding Tail, or SFT 70, comes with 2 22,500 pound capacity axles. The trailer comes standard with a centralized grease system, 235 75R 17.5 Continental tires, steel inside rims with polished outside aluminum wheels, and a manual air ride height control. Tire inflation system is an option. The SFT 70 comes standard with hydraulic quick couplers on the nose section. The trailer is equipped with a 20 gallon per minute and 2,500 PSI hydraulic system. Standard is a 20,000 pound winch with cable tensioner mounted on the nose section. The SFT 70 comes standard with extra LEDs and side marker lights running down the perimeter of the trailer. It has a 7-way molded electrical harness. Work lights are mounted at the front winch location, but can also be mounted at different locations for preference with the customer. A 3-function spool control valve operates the trailer on the street side, or it can also be manually operated with the remote control. 2 cast aluminum spring assist steps are standard on each side of the trailer.